Hello, my name is Carly Kulki. For workshop question Harton, Puerto Francisco, Orellana, Coca. 1. What is your city and your rate is the locality? My Harton is Puerto Francisco de Orellana. It's currently Coca. It is from the locality most of the Coca handled by main rivers. 2. What is your my attraction in your city? My turn though of the beauty attraction to tourists. I am Puerto Francisco de Orellana. It is just unique park national for its natural its rich. The greatest attraction to tourists to Puerto Francisco de Orellana is a journey massive anti-cultural center de Orellana, Marco. 3. What is the advantage you have tourists that you want to visit on your city? My turn to adventure you in visit show you goal. What is goal visit Yasuni National Park? It is division for the variety and flora and fauna. During sure talking about driving sunlight to Maricon. Puerto Francisco de Orellana, de Coca. Pictures. Thank you.